Acting President Constantino Chiwenga has signaled that he may phase out the Zimbabwe gold ZiG currency and introduce a new monetary system as the ZiG continues to lose value on the black market. Azvipere mushe toona kuti aiwa vipi Chiwenga panapa voya vachida is hinting kuda kuphase out the currency yakaintroduced nemutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe Masodadzo Mnangagwa. Currency aiwa yavaithreatena nayo vanhu sadapinda masvika buda nyiko pana mlbo subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Tipinda mucontents. Currently, the ZiG is trading at a shocking $1 to 24, a dramatic drop from the launch rate of $1 to 13.50 in just a few months. Many businesses have begun rejecting the currency, prompting Chiwenga to urge citizens to rally behind it. His remarks comes in the absence of President Mnangagwa, who is on a state visit to China, fueling speculation that Chiwenga is positioning himself to succeed Mnangagwa in 2028. Analysts believe the potential currency overhaul could be a key feature of his administration. Speaking at the burial of Brigadier General Shadrack Ndavambi at the National Heroes Eke in Harare, Chiwenga reassured the public that the government is taking steps to stabilize the economy by addressing exchange rate manipulation. Panapa wanaona achiti aiwa this move iri kuitwa naVP Chiwenga maybe he's in a bid yekuti arida kuausta mutungamiri wenyika kuti awane popularity kuti vanaona as if aada some developments akatora nhau dzekuphase out the ZiG nekustabilize the economy vanhu vachimsupporta vomuti aiwa uyu ndiye munhu watiri kuda anenge ari nani kunyange zvavo vakomana with the ruling party vese vangofanana. panapa patinoona kuti everyone aiwa haasi kuda kuti mutungamiri wenyika extend his power beyond 2028. panapa tinoona kuti mutungamiri aripo wepanguva ino VP Chiwenga vataura mashoko ekuti aiwa we want to stabilize the economy kuti aiwa this ZiG tikaona risiri kufunctiona aiwa tikatoriphase out. Tudza mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like.